Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the individual difference, which is a topic of education, educational psychology for AP TET and AP DSC, Telangana TET, CTET and NTA examination. Let us start with the individual differences, which are very useful for your examination purpose. So, what makes us difference? We are all unique, we found everywhere is key to who we are. So individual difference are special trait that makes each person is different. Okay, so these differences are exist in all things, whether it is living or non-living around the world, and these differences define identity, how we fit into the groups. So there is a variation in our world, non-living elements and living beings. So we all know that soil differs in different parts of the country or different areas, and rocks also many types of minerals and shapes. Water bodies also differences in different areas with the different chemical makeup. Then living beings, plants show amazing difference in how they grow. Animals vary like change in size, homes and actions. So even insects have many special features to help them. So there is a difference in non-living elements as well as living being also. Let us examine one by one. So human differences. Here we can check the picture here. See how this change is there. Like there is a same type but different people. Brothers and sisters are look like same but there is a different. There is a valuing our differences. Same type. Human beings are one kind but each person is unique. We all look and think in our own special way. Example, if you take the brothers and sisters, even though the twins are born together, grow but grow together, but they are to be a different. Okay, having the same parents doesn't make people act as the same. Then value differences. Our difference make our world more interesting. Being unique help us create new ideas and new culture. Here you can see somebody hide more, somebody is some are male, some are female, some are third gender. Okay, like that. There is a difference. Human beings are different. Okay, then defining the individual difference. See, as defined in Good's Dictionary of Education 1959, individual differences are ways of the people vary from each other in one or more threats. Okay, so what is the individual difference? They are unique, they are measurable, they are distributional, they are multifaceted. Okay, what is unique? Each person has their own special mix of traits. Okay, measurable, we can see and count the differences. Then distribution, traits spread out in pattern, groups of people. Multifaceted differences show up in body, in mind and feelings. So there is a individual difference are unique, they are measurable, they are distributable, they are multifaceted. Then physical difference, you can see the picture here. Okay, height and weight, skin and hair, biometric features, genetic variation. There is a physical appearance, how the difference. Every people, like all the peoples vary significantly in stature and body composition, skin and color. So diverse pigmentation and hair texture existing across the population. So everybody has their own color, some are white, black or wheatish. Okay, so they are mixture of colors. Then biometric features, so every human being has the different fingerprints and facial expressions also differs, and voice patterns are unique. Okay, genetic variation, even if you see the DNA difference influence health, appearance and disabilities abilities, sorry. So height and weight, skin and color, biometric features, genetic variation. So you should remember this physical differences. So what is the mental differences? So there is which is invisible. Okay, however you can feel the things. Okay, creativity, intelligence types, processing of speed, cognitive abilities. These are the mental abilities, creativity, unique approaches to problem solving, and artistic expression. So everybody has a unique, so how to approach the problem and how to solve, and artistic expression. So everybody can solve the problem, but in their own different ways, in their own ways. So there is a creativity. Intelligence types, various forms of intelligence from linguistic to spatial. Okay, so the way of telling things. Okay, whether it is in the form of linguistic or spatial. Then processing speed. So like some people understand very easily, some people understand very slow. Okay, so how the difference in how quickly information is processed and understand. Cognitive abilities, so not everybody has the own mental abilities. Okay, there is a variation in memory, attention, and reasoning skills. So everybody is unique. Creativity, intelligence types, processing speed, cognitive abilities. Then motor abilities. Okay, speed, manual dexterity, and coordination. What is speed? Reaction time and movement of velocity difference among the individuals. Some are very slow, some are very fast, some are medium. Manual dexterity. So the like how they are controlled, precision and controlling fine motor task vary. So whatever the task they do, it is differentiated. Then coordination, there's the eye coordination and body awareness show individual differences. Okay, like when you're driving, eye and hand should be a coordination. When you are doing something, there is a individual differences. So these motor difference influence career choices, hobbies, and everyday task performance. So what is motor skill? Which is movable by our organs like speed, manual dexterity, and coordination. So which influence our career, our habits, and the task we performance. So like achievement differences. So learning styles are different, building skills are different, success levels are different. How we can grow, that is also different. Learning, people learn, remember things in different ways. Some people are learn very slow, some people are very fast, some are very fast. Okay, some are medium. Building techniques, some people learn new skills very faster than others, some are may not. Okay, here some people have the medal, some people have the small reward, some people have big reward. So success level, people can reach different level even the same schooling, even though everybody studies in the same school. Okay, same spending of the amount, but the success level is different, the grades are different. How we grow, people improves at different speeds and times. Some people like whether financially or motivationally or educationally improve very fast in a different times and different level. Okay, some people are may not that much. So achievement different, learning, building skills, success levels, how we grow, these are things. Then emotional differences, you can see the faces, different people all over the world. Okay, not expressions are not similar, everybody is different. Okay, emotional intensity and emotional stability, expression styles. So emotional intensity, people experience emotion with the different levels of intensity. Some people deeply while others maintain emotional distance. So our emotional intensity, how we feel, some people express very easily, some may not, some are stable, something like that. So emotional stability, variation, how consistently people manage emotions relates to emotional disturbance differ in significantly. Some are disturbed, some are not disturbed, some are like so there is a variation in emotional stability. Expression style, okay, how we express our emotions, individual vary how they communicate feelings. Some are angry, some are crying, some are have the different facial expression, some are become silent. So even the expression backed by the our cultural personal factors influence our expression patterns. So these are the emotional differences, emotional intensity. So how much it is there, how much your stability, and how the style of expression emotion is also is a part of emotional differences. Then interest and aptitude, aptitudes. Okay, some people are interested in music kind of thing, some are mechanical, some are software, some are cooking, some are dancing. So people naturally like and attract towards that diverse interest and exhibit very aptitude, some level in music, okay, some level in mechanics and engineering, some are doing programming, some are doing cooking, some are athletics. So different interests, different aptitudes. Okay, these are the difference of individuals. Okay, attitude, beliefs and opinions. Okay, these are also variation in the people. Cultural influence. Okay, educational factors, individual processing, social context. So what is cultural influence? Background shapes fundamental beliefs and worldview. How our culture also influence how our attitude. Okay, then individual processing, personal interpretation creates a unique belief system. So the information we process, believe, what we believe, that is going to be interpreted differently from each person. Then educational factors, learning experience could mold the opinions and perspectives. If you are learned, if you are educated, your way of beliefs and that is going to be more molded, that is going to be changed, and how we looks also, the perspectives, how we look, that is also got changed. Then social context, community, peers affect our attitude formation. So with whom you are staying, in which community you are staying, with which your peer, your colleague also affects our attitude formation. So attitude, beliefs and opinions, cultural differences, educational factors, individual processing, social context. Then learning differences. So different people are learned in different ways. Auditory learners, visual learners, kinesthetic learners. Okay, auditory learners. So these students learn from through listening and discussion. Okay, so these, they remember the information well. If they want to, if they listen properly, they can understand and they can retain the information. There is learning style is the auditory learning. Visual learning. So these individuals process the information through images, charts, written text. Seeing information and help them remember. Kinesthetic learners. These learners physically active, hands-on experience, movement and enhance their understanding. So even like in Telugu states, I want to come up with the like visual things so that people can experience the modern technology and they can retain the things. Okay, and so that is the reason. If you like my like explanation and my slides, my educational things, please do like and subscribe, and inform your other students also. Like social and moral development. Okay, social awareness. Okay, moral reasoning, empathy development. So this is also various differences there in the individuals. Children learn social skills at different speed. Some easily understand how to act with others, and others need more to make friends fit in. So some people automatically attract, okay, and they are mingle with the people. Then you need not to say anything how to mingle with the people. Some people you have to say how to behave, how to mingle with the things, what to do, what not to do. So peoples are different. Social awareness also different among the individuals. Moral in reasoning, people develop their sense of right or wrong differently. People and culture shapes these values. So what is right, what is good? Okay, these senses are backed by the family and culture where they lived and where they nurtured. Okay, some care about the following rules while others focus on why something was done or what happened because of it. Some people simply follow the rules, some people questions, some people thinks why it is happened. So like this. Then empathy development. People differ. How will they understand others' feeling? Some how caring others very early. Everyone get better at empathy with the right to help experiences. Also empathy or sympathy, which comes with our cultures by observing others. Okay, some people feels like how the other feels if they face the same thing by them. So like social awareness, moral reasoning, empathy development also differs person to person. Okay, so this is the thing. So conclusion, small conclusion, average 68% of the people normally okay have the typical level of different rates, and 16% like they have the uh, more level of certain rates, and below 16% have the like this is a pyramid of things. So people are like below here, they they are very slow, like average people are 70%, and say 16% are more understandable, okay, and 16% of less understanding, below average. So this is the thing. Human threads follows a pattern like bell curve. We are similar many ways, but our mix of threads may each person is unique, okay. This is the thing. Then if you like my this explanation and this is very useful, I request to subscribe to Mohan's teaching corner, okay. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you for listening my class. All the best for your coming exams.